Alright, recording the sewer line here at 3412 21st Ave West. Date is February 4th, 2021. We were able to get some flow in this line. When we showed up today, it was completely backed up. What you're looking at there is the connection to the Seattle City main that's running up and down 21st Ave West. We've got some offset pipe down there where we're connected to the main. It's slightly offset. You can see the connection is sagged off, or the lateral pipe is sagging a little bit at that point. You can kind of see the sewage flowing by in the main at the bottom of our screen right now. We're going to come back from here and get a look at the line. Can you help me out there, please, Goose? We're in 6-inch diameter clay pipe here. Somebody just flushed the toilet. But 6-inch diameter clay pipe. It's intact and flowing right now. See, we've got a little bit of root intrusion, but here's our main spot of concern as we come back. Right here where we're transitioning from this 6-inch clay to this 6-inch concrete. The bottom of the pipe appears to be gone through this section, and we're just going over sand and mud basically, or the sewage is trying to flow over that. I'm going to get a locate on that spot here in a second, but coming back still further. And that's our main point of concern. Coming back further here, go ahead, Goose. This section of pipe's intact. This is 6-inch concrete, 6-inch diameter. And right here on the left side of the screen is where, according to the Seattle City map, the building to the south ties into the pipe here. That's what the map shows. Have to do a little more testing to determine that for sure, but that is what the map is showing. We keep coming back through this 6-inch diameter concrete into our repair we installed here. So there's our repair coming up out of the clean out here, and that's the clean out we're making this recording from. There's a little look at the new pipe we put in the ground. I'm going to end the recording there, do some locating.